In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively share your screen using Restream Studio to enhance your live streams. Let's dive straight in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate screen sharing into your broadcasting workflow. First off, you'll need to open Restream Studio. Once you're in, you have the choice of diving into an existing scene or starting from scratch by creating a new one. Whether you're dealing with an ongoing project or setting up a fresh broadcast, the scene editor is your next destination. Here's where all the creative magic happens. Inside the scene editor, you'll want to focus on adding your screen as a source. To do this, navigate to the Media section and select Screen. This is your gateway to showcasing whatever content resides on your computer, be it a tutorial, a presentation, or simply some engaging material you want your audience to see. Now comes the decision-making part. Restream gives you the flexibility to share exactly what you need. You have three options: a browser tab, a specific application window, or your entire screen. Consider what's most effective for your audience. If you're showcasing a web-based tool, a browser tab might be perfect. Meanwhile, for more comprehensive demonstrations or walkthroughs, sharing your entire screen could be beneficial. If your broadcast requires sound, pay close attention to this next bit. Ensuring that any audio from your shared screen is included is crucial for a seamless experience. To do this, toggle on the Share Audio option as you select your screen source. This is particularly important for content that's audio-driven. Think video clips, music, or any other sound-dependent media. Once you've made your selection and pressed Share, you'll see your chosen screen area appear in your preview. This is where you can fine-tune the appearance. Position and resize the screen share within your scene, just as you would with any other element. It's all about creating a harmonious and visually appealing layout that keeps your audience engaged and focused on the content that matters most. With everything looking polished and exactly where you want it, you're almost ready to broadcast to the world. The final step is to hit that Go Live button. This action propels your carefully curated scene, complete with your integrated screen share, directly to your viewers. By following these steps, you'll master the art of screen sharing in Restream Studio, opening up new avenues for delivering content. Whether you're running a live tutorial, presenting information, or interacting with your audience through visuals, these skills will ensure that your broadcasts are not only professional, but also impactful. Happy streaming, and until next time.